We copy you down, Eagle.
We are in the clean room, which is located in the Space Environment Simulation Laboratory of Building 32. And back behind me you see is Chamber A. Chamber A is a thermal vacuum chamber. It was originally designed to test the Apollo spacecraft in the early 60s. It's now being outfitted along with this clean room that we're in for the James Webb Space Telescope. It was originally designed to simulate as close as we needed to the temperature and vacuum of space. The temperature that we desire to get down to is 20 Kelvin, but we actually can reach temperatures lower than that, as low as 11 degrees Kelvin. The environment is so extreme, there are not going to be any return trips to make any kind of adjustments or repairs. So things have to work, and this is why the testing in here is so important, so critical to the program. The dimensions of the chamber are from the bottom of the cylinder to the top is 120 feet. From the floor, the ground level, to the ceiling, the interior working height is 60 feet and the interior working diameter is 45 feet. The door to the chamber is 40 feet in diameter and it weighs 40 tons and it's hydraulically operated. It is so perfectly balanced that two people can push on the door and move it.
James Webb telescope has a series of mirrors, and those are the ones that are going to collect the light from various distant galaxies and so forth. So if the mirrors are contaminated with particles, with other materials and so forth, then the efficiency of light collection decreases. So the clean room is being built primarily to maintain a clean environment when the telescope and other articles are moved in from the outside, so that there is continuity of cleanliness in the environment from the time it arrives here before it goes into the chamber. When the materials arrive here, they have to be cleaned to a certain cleanliness level before they can be brought into the clean room. And then once they're in the clean room, they're doing final precision cleaning before they move into the chamber for testing.